Have you ever thought about how powerful a hug really is? Most people think a hug is just hello, goodbye, or something polite. But what if I told you a hug is much more than that? A hug can change the way someone sees you. A hug can make someone feel safe, close, and even connected in ways words can't. A hug can open the door to attraction, to trust, to something deeper. Today, I'm going to show you how to understand the hidden messages inside a hug. I'll break down the four types of hugs and I'll give you the right response for each one. But here's the twist. This isn't just about romance, it's about becoming the kind of person who makes others feel safe, loved, and drawn to your presence. By the end of this, you won't just know how to respond to a hug, you'll know how to carry yourself with confidence everywhere you go. Why hugs matter more than you think. Think about it. Words can lie, smiles can be fake, but the body tells the truth. When someone hugs you, their body is speaking louder than their mouth. Are they nervous? Are they open? Do they feel safe? Do they want more closeness? All of this can be found in a simple embrace. The problem is most men miss the signs. They either pull away too fast, act awkward, or don't notice the difference between a friendly hug and a meaningful one. And when they miss it, opportunities vanish. But when you learn to read these signals, you unlock a superpower. You'll know when someone just wants to be friends, and you'll know when someone is opening their heart to you. The four types of hugs and what they mean. One, the friendly pat, quick hug, little space, maybe a few pats on the back. It's like someone saying, "You're cool, but nothing romantic here." Don't be upset by this. In fact, this is your chance. This is where you show your confidence, your humor, your energy. Think of it as the starting line, not the finish. Example, you meet a woman at a party and she gives you the friendly pat. Instead of walking away thinking she's not interested, you smile, you engage, you spark a moment. Friendship can turn into something more if you bring the energy. Two, the firm hug. This one lasts longer. She holds you tighter. It's solid, secure more than a quick hello. Does it mean she's in love? Not yet, but it means she's comfortable with you, and comfort is the soil where attraction grows. The move here? Hold just a second longer than expected. Not too much, not too little. Then watch her eyes, her smile, her body language after. Confidence lives in the details. Three, the lingering embrace. This is where things change. She doesn't rush. She stays close. Her chest presses against you. Her breathing slows. This is not an accident. This is connection. When this happens, don't be the first to pull away. Mirror her, stay present, maybe add a small touch on her lower back. This says without words, I see you, I feel you, I'm here with you. This is how deeper bonds are formed, by letting the moment breathe. Four, the intimate embrace. This is the big one. Her head rests on your shoulder. She melts into you. Her touch lingers. Maybe her fingers trace your back. This is not just attraction. This is trust. This is her saying, with you, I feel safe. The wrong move here? Rushing. The right move? Be still. Be present. Let her feel your strength. Confidence is not loud. It's calm, steady, and unshakable. From here, she may tilt her head, hold on tighter, or linger longer. Those are green lights. This is where closeness turns into intimacy. The life lesson hidden in all this now, let's step back, because this isn't just about hugs. Every hug you give is a reflection of how you live your life. Do you rush moments? Do you pull away too fast? Or do you stay present, grounded, and calm? Confidence isn't about flashy words, it's about energy, presence, the way people feel when they're around you. Think of Martin Luther King Jr., Nelson Mandela, or even your favorite teacher. They didn't need to scream to show power. Their presence spoke louder than words. That's the energy you bring when you learn how to embrace, not just with your arms, but with your whole being. Action steps to transform your life. So next time someone hugs you, 1. Notice the type of hug. 2. Match your response with confidence. 3. Stay present, don't rush away. 4. Remember, the hug is about more than touch. It's about connection. Practice this not just with women, but with your family, friends, everyone. Hug like you mean it. Hug with presence. Hug with confidence. Because one day, that hug could be the bridge to love, to trust, to the life you dream of. Final words. So let me leave you with this. The next time someone hugs you, don't take it lightly. Don't see it as just a hug. See it as a message. See it as an opportunity. Your job is simple. Be present, be confident, and let your energy speak. Do this, and you'll never miss an opportunity again. Now I'll ask you this. What's the most meaningful hug you've ever had? Was it with someone you love, someone you miss, or someone who surprised you? Drop your answer below. And remember, confidence is not in what you say. It's in what people feel when they're with you.